Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a really sturdy and durable flathead screwdriver, I want to show you this one here. This is from Klein tools, and this is a great little tool to have in your arsenal. So this one has a 1/4 inch blade, and this is really perfect for installing light switches and outlets, things like that. It has this little wire bending tool here, so you're easily able to bend wires together if you are installing receptacles or switches. Really handy little tool. Aside from having that bonus little feature, it's also just a really well-made screwdriver. It's made of durable steel and it is chrome plated. And then the tip is really durable and hardened metal that is going to last a long time. This one has lasted for many years and has held up really well. And we have been really happy with it. So it's got a very comfortable grip. It's easy to hold no matter what size hands you have. Both my husband and I use this screwdriver frequently, and it is really comfortable for both of us. So if you have some electrical projects or you just have projects that are going to require a 1/4 inch flat screwdriver, this 6-inch variety from Klein Tools is a really nice option. We are super pleased with it, and that is my point of view.